I have an idea. I was looking through some old paintbrushes because I just wanted some like edgers, and I found this one. And I'm gonna just play with that instead, instead of doing what the plan was. Now, this is not an original idea. I saw this on Pinterest. My Pinterest is full of glitter. Let's do it together, shall we? These are all the paint colors that I have for the mural, and I have decided that one of these colors should become a permanent fixture on this paintbrush because this paintbrush should be a piece of art because this is the way my brain works because why would I ever do what I was seeking out to do? I feel like I can't go you can't go wrong with pink. Is this an impromptu tutorial? You tell me. I'm pulling out Bedazzled jewels from 1995. I'm just kidding, but here's what I pulled out. I pulled out some random Bedazzled jewels. I have pulled out a random pile of like loose glitter. How satisfying is this? I'm just gonna make a mess. I'm just gonna make a mess because I can. Look at this. It's the gift that keeps on giving. I hope that I find this on my desk in 3 weeks. When I get paint for murals, I just get these like sample sizes because they're only $6. And I get Benjamin Moore because they're cruelty free, and that's super important to me. So I'm just going to see about setting this on here. And see, I like that it's getting streaky. I think that that's fun because I want it to look like it was just dipped or like really used, you know? We do it for the art, okay? And then maybe just up like one of the sides, just kind of messy. Okay, that's fun. I like that. And then while it's still wet, that's where I'm gonna grab and go to town with said glitter. Okay, so I'm just gonna scoop some of this up and go on here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like I feel like a child. I'm standing. Oh, it's so fun. You guys do it. Do it. It's sticking pretty good. Oh my gosh. Ah! Now we can take our bedazzly jewel thingies. Before we do that though, we lost a little bit of this pink paint. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit over the glitter so that it feels like it's actually mixing together. Stop it. So the one thing I will say is don't ruin your brushes. So even in the in-between, if this is gonna sit here for longer than like a minute, we're gonna rinse this. I'm gonna rinse this thoroughly. I only do it with water and I just get inside the bristles real well. So BRB. Look at that. Look how clean that is. This is doing your brushes a nice favor so that you don't ruin your tools. I couldn't be bothered to dry my hands. So continuing on here, I want to add our jewels, and I don't want to do too many of them. I know that it seemed like I was going to go all sorts of crazy, but I think I just want to do some subtle ones and probably a silver or like the white jewels, right? So, because look at what this is going to look like. If it's just like one, how cute is this? We are going to need glue, I think. So I'm just going to grab them and kind of place them, and then we can go crazy later. See, these colors are cute too because it like kind of carries the pink. Maybe I'll do some here. Oh, this is fun. I wonder if a star would look cute or if it would be like overkill. Let's just see. I don't think that's overkill. I think that I think that that works as I put paint on top of the star. Okay, fine. Let's get a different one and push that down without a painted finger. That's a way to go. I'm gonna grab some like heavier weight paper. I'll just grab some watercolor paper because I have some sitting here. And then we want to do like make this like an art piece. I want it to look kind of like this is the paintbrush that made like a streak onto this paper. And so I'm just going to grab that same paintbrush that I used before. And I want to start, I think I want to start backwards, so have it be really thick here and then kind of fade off. Yeah. I have a little water on my brush still, but I'm fine with it because I think it's kind of fun, a fun addition. Okay, maybe right here. So I'm just kind of looking at how wide this is and then making that wispier. Okay, now I can take the glitter that I scooped up, at least the ones that didn't end up on the floor, and sprinkle that onto here. Fun. Denser toward the top. Okay, let's see what this looks like. I mean, it's so good. Let me know if you make one too, because they're fun. They're fun.